Today on the Black Market Outpost, we celebrate and reflect. Welcome to the Black Market Outpost. Well, it's been a year since our first video, and I thought to myself, what does one do for a 1-year anniversary? I decided I was going to revisit my first video. So I've taken some old footage and some new footage and I've combined it together. Let's check out the video. When I first started this journey, I didn't know what direction I was going to head in. All I knew was I was going to make videos. I quickly discovered what a great maker community we have out there available to us. I've learned a lot from that great community that's out there. The things you don't know, you learn along the way on the journey. And that community, what can I say? I mean, they'll help you with anything you need. The world's a funny place, but eventually everybody finds their way. I've met a lot of interesting people on this journey, most of which I keep in close contact with. Sometimes I ask myself, what is a maker? I think I have the answer to that question. We are all makers in some form or another.
It's not what you make or how you make that really matters. The important thing to me is that you are making. Things may not always work out as planned along the way. As the maker, you assess, adapt, and push forward. Just remember, there's only one person you ever need to make happy in your maker's journey. That one person is yourself.
I'd like to take a quick second here to thank a couple of people who have been very influential in my building skills. Dave White of Whitey's Wicked Workshop, Ron Kanyama, the CG artist, and James Culley of the Rebel Base Build. These three people have meant a lot to me this year, and they've helped out a lot in everything I've accomplished. I'd also like to mention that these three gentlemen, along with myself, have started a podcast recently, the Almost Star Wars podcast. I'll put some links below so you guys can find us and take a listen.
And that is my maker's journey.
I'm quite pleased with how this project turned out. You spend most of your time hunting and gathering greeblies, and then you wonder yourself, what are you going to do with them? You pause, you gather your thoughts, you start putting things together, and you end up with a wonderful project like this. In the end, all that really matters is that you're having fun doing what you're doing. And always make time to make something.